Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You all might be familiar with the term robotics. Inshallah, in today's video, we are going to learn what is robotics in detail. What comes to your mind when you hear the term robot? Some of you may have the misconception of big machines to be considered as robots, but you are wrong. The simplest definition of robot is any matter that has at least one degree of freedom. Robotics is nothing but the study of robots. Now, why do we need robots? Robots can make our tasks easier. It can do repetitive tasks without getting bored like human beings. It never gets sick. Robots do not eat or drink anything, and they never complain. Robotics design, construction and use of machines to perform tasks done traditionally by human beings. Robots are widely used in such industries as automobile manufacture to perform simple repetitive tasks and in industries where work must be performed in environments hazardous to humans. Many aspects of robotics involve artificial intelligence. Robots may be equipped with the equivalent of human senses such as vision, touch, and the ability to sense temperature. Some are even capable of simple decision making. And current robotic research is geared toward devising robots with a degree of self-sufficiency that will permit mobility and decision making in an unstructured environment. Today's industrial robots do not resemble human beings. A robot in human form is called an android. You can see here, robotics is nothing but the encapsulation of mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, and computer science. That means all three concepts are being used in robotics. Robotics is the construction, design, and operation of robots. It is also an interdisciplinary, you can say, pertaining of different fields of research area at the interface of computer science and engineering. It involves design, construction, operation, and use of robots, as I told you. The goal of robotics is to design intelligent machines that can help and assist humans in their day-to-day lives and keep everyone safe. For example, agricultural robots, industrial force scrubbers, etc. So, inshallah, we will start learning with the basic level of robotics, not the advanced one. Here you can see you will be provided with the senior techno kit where you will be having more than 85 pieces, and with that, with the help of those pieces, you can make 20 different models. Along with this kit, you will be getting this handbook. Now, this is the first page of the handbook. You are having various designs so that you can see and construct. Apart from that, you are having different spare parts which are mentioned over there, with which you can construct different models. The first model which is mentioned in your handbook is Big Jeep. So for the construction of Big Jeep, you'll need the following parts. First is flange plate of 45 inches. You will need 1. Flange plate of 14 inches, 2. You'll need 2 triangles. Plastic plate of big size, 1. Plastic plate of small size, 1. You will need plate with 5 holes in it. You will need it 4 in quantity. Plate with 2 hole, 4. U plate with 7 hole, 2. U plate with 5 hole, 1. Then you will need 4 tire, 4 T-bush, 2 big axle and nuts and bolts. Now you all might not be knowing all these terms. Okay, so you can see the yellow part which you can see is flange plate of 45 inches. Okay, you will need it 1. You can see the thing which I have circled with pink pen. That is nothing but the quantity, and just beside the quantity you can see the price or the amount of that particular spare part. So flange plate of 45 inches, if you will take 1, that will cost you for rupees 550. Then you will need flange plate of 14 inches, 2 in number, and one cost rupees 320. Then you will need two triangles, one cost 210 rupees. This is the plastic plate of big size, the blue color which you can see, that cost 185 rupees. Plastic plate of small size, 1 in number, that is of 145 rupees. You can see plate with 5 holes, one cost rupees 90. Plastic plate with 2 holes, that cost 50 rupees. U plate with 7 holes, 85 rupees each. U plate with 5 hole, one cost rupees 60. You can see 4 tires, you need 4 tires, one cost rupees 250. Then big axle you will need 2, one cost rupees 120. You will need 4 T-bush, one cost rupees 90, and each nut and bolt cost rupees 25. So when you will aggregate all the parts, when you will try to construct it, you can see in your handbook it is constructed in this way. So after construction of the big Jeep, I got it in this way. This is the diagram which was given in the handbook. This is what I made. So after learning, understanding and constructing the big Jeep, following questions can arise in your mind. So you can answer the following questions. Name the companies that manufacture big Jeep. What is the center distance between front and rear tires? Which materials are used in tires and why? What is the diameter of the tire? What is the ground clearance of your Jeep? What is the weight and mass of your Jeep? Why small slots are provided on the tire instead of the big one? What is the height of the Jeep? You have to measure its height. What is the total cost of the big Jeep? Which modifications you can add to this project? These are very simple and basic questions which can arise in your mind after the construction and complete understanding of big Jeep. So see this question number 9. What is the total cost of big Jeep? Now here the questions which I have given you, it is all related to your project, your Jeep. So you have to, you can see question number 4. What is the diameter of the tire? So you have to calculate the diameter of your tire. Okay. Then weight and mass of your Jeep, and then height of your Jeep, and the total cost of your Jeep. So see how you can calculate the total cost of the Jeep. I'll give you an example, then you can do it by yourself. See how to calculate the total cost of big Jeep. First of all, the quantity is being given to you, the quantity of the spare parts. Along with that, the price is also mentioned. Okay, for example, the flange plate of 45 inches, you can see it is 2 in number, that is 2 quantity 2. Okay, the cost of one flange plate is 550. So what you are going to do, you are going to multiply it with the quantity. Okay, so 550 into 2, what you will get? 1100. Now second, flange plate of 14 inches, you will need 2 in number, and one cost rupees 320. So what you will do, you will multiply it by 2. 320 into 2, that is 640. Then you will need 2 triangle. One triangle cost rupees 210. What you will do, you will need it 2. So you will multiply it by 2 and you will get 420. Now plastic plate, you will need 1. 1 cost rupees 185. That's the reason 185 into 1, that is 185. Similarly, plastic plate small size, you will need 1. 145 into 1, 145. Plate 5, you will need 4. 1 cost rupees 90. Therefore, 90 into 4, you will get 360. Plate with 2 holes, you will need 4. 1 cost rupees 50. 50 into 4, 200. Similarly, U plate with 7 holes, you will need 2. 1 cost rupees 85. That's the reason 85 into 2, you will get 170. Similarly, U plate with 5 hole, tire, big axle, T-bush, and nuts and bolts. How many you need? Whatever quantity you will need. For example, if you require 20 nuts and bolts. So what you will do? 25. One nut and bolt cost rupees 25. So 25 into 20. Here I got 12. Okay. I required for the construction of big Jeep 12 number was needed. The amount or the quantity, you can say, quantity of nuts and bolts was 12 in number. So 25 into 12 equals to 300. Then last what you have to do, after calculating all the amount, the thing which you can see with the light blue pen, you have to add all those numbers. Those are nothing but the rupees or the total amount. Okay, so after adding all those amount, what you are getting? 5180 rupees. That means the total cost of the big Jeep is 5180 rupees.